Okay, here's a video to help you with early enrolling, and I've got my page here that I've designed for you guys to help with that. There's some information here on the front page that you might want to take a good close look at, especially the first link, which will take you to a new schedule for enrolling. If you click on summer or fall, they're really the same. Click there and you'll see a time structure for enrollment throughout the day. Rather than just opening it all up at 5 o'clock in the morning, they're going to have specific times for you to come in or to log on and enroll. And so you'll need to try to abide by this schedule if possible. Now, if you're late, don't worry about it. You can always log in late. You just can't log in early. Okay, but you'll want to look this up. You'll also want to look at your degree audit in order to know what or how many credit hours you've completed, because that's how it's based. For instance, if I have 66 credit hours, I can enroll at 7 p.m. on Sunday. Okay, that's all new. We've never enrolled on Sunday before, or any time after that. Okay, so that's how that works. You'll want to check that out. It's very important to look at the time that your first opportunity to enroll. If you'll enroll early, get up, set your alarm, whatever, if it's early in the day, and enroll. It's the first possible opportunity. Then you just improve your chances of getting all the classes that you want before they fill up. Okay. I also have a link here on this page that will link you really to my modules pages here. If you click there and then click here, this page will tell you everything you need to know about the process of getting enrolled. And I know you've all done this before, but if you just need help with this kind of lays it all out for you. I would definitely read it whether you've enrolled early before or not. Okay, there are some helpful links here. If you, for instance, again, you can check the schedules by clicking here. Find out what's available. We have expanded our summer offerings this time. Let's see, is that what that's supposed to do? Yeah. Actually, that's not what that's supposed to do. Yeah, that is what that's supposed to do. Okay, but we have we have expanded our offerings for the summer, and let me just find that real quick. Here we go. Click here, and here we go. And you can see the classes that we have this summer, including a graphic design class that I would really love to teach. I need to get at least 12 people enrolling, so spread the word. Help me get 12 people to enroll for graphic design. There's also the photography class. It's really hard to get into in the fall. You can take it in the summer. There's a web graphic software. We've never done that before. Offered a software class online. That one's an online course. The graphic design is also an online course. The photography is not. But then we've also got graphic career development, which is a required course, and graphic internship, which is also a required course that we're offering this summer. Okay, so you'll want to check those out. There's actually links for that back here on the home page that you can see the summer course offerings right there. Okay, if you're not sure you're coming back to Pitt State, go ahead and early enroll anyway. It's just a good idea, just in case you change your mind. There's no charge, there's no penalty for enrolling when you don't really. If you don't come, you can always get your money back. So, so please consider doing that, just in case you change your mind. Okay, I'm going to go back to the early enrollment page. Okay, so just click here, and if you just follow the instructions there. You'll want to go to Gus Login. I've got it set up so that I can, by splitting the screen, I can enroll here and watch my instructions over here. I think that'd probably be a good idea for you too. I'm going to pause right here and bring up a degree audit. Okay, so now I've brought up this degree audit, and I've cropped it off here at the top for privacy purposes. But you can see the list of classes that this student is taking now. Below that are all the courses that are yet needed in order to graduate. Okay, and you guys are probably familiar with the degree audit. You'll just want to check here and find out which classes you need. Generally speaking, low numbers first, and then move on through the requirements. After you finish these 9 hours, that box disappears. 2 hours out of this, and that box disappears, and you probably already know about how that works. If I finish 5 hours out of this big section, then that box disappears. So you'll want to find a list of classes that you can take for next semester. You want to write them down or put them in a Word file or something like that, just so you can remember. Please, everybody, remember to list the course number and then compare it to the classes that are being offered. And you'll want to write down the course number and the section number so that I have both. And you'll mail me this list of classes that you're proposing, and I'll approve it if it looks good, and check it against your degree audit just like you're doing. And then I'll send you an advisement code number that will allow you to enroll at the earliest possible opportunity. You'll need to look up your time, go to your degree audit, set up a practice file, a proposal of classes to take, send me that list, and then I'll send you back a passcode so that you can log in and enroll at the first opportunity. Okay, it's all explained here. As you click on these, it'll take you directly to degree audit, to the GUS login, to the summer and fall semester listings. I'll send you an advisement code number, as I mentioned. You'll look for the link called Online Enroll. It's over here in that same group of options under your GUS page. Just click right here, and you'll click in your number. If it's for summer, you'll click here. If it's for fall, you'll click here. Okay, and then as you submit, it'll take you to a fill-in form where you just type in the numbers. You type in the code that I've given you. You'll get all enrolled, and if you have any trouble, the system is really pretty good. It'll tell you if you've got a time conflict or anything at all like that. Okay, so that's kind of it in a nutshell. If you just follow the instructions here. There's also an additional page, kind of the university version of how to do this, that you can also compare to my notes. There's a warning there about writing to learn. Remember, you do want to make sure that you've got the right number of writing to learn courses. And let's see if I can get back to where I was. Okay, I'm going to pause again. If you're missing a Writing to Learn course, there's a little warning at your degree audit that you'll see that looks kind of like this. And then as you scroll through your degree audit, picking out the classes that you need, do pay attention that at the very bottom there's some important instructions there about getting an official degree audit. A degree check, they call it, and there's the phone number and the place that does that for you. Okay, that's it. Okay, just follow these instructions. Come by or call if you want to make an appointment. Send me something through Canvas, and we can talk you through this if you're not certain about the classes that you need. All right, it's all there under your advisee. Under your advisee number, your advisee course, you might say, under Canvas. Just look for CC COT.